What's up guys, XRP charts here with a quick 5-minute update on XRPUSD. Alright, on the 4-hour chart you can see here yesterday we got the fifth wave smashing up through our purple pink resistance here. That is the long-term diagonal support and resistance that we've seen sort of since the end of last year. We tried to break through it, and also the resistance of this upper triangle here. Got massive rejection yesterday for like the fourth time in a row, so that's definitely a resistance line that's being well respected. We dropped down pretty hard all the way through the 13 EMA and down and touched the 55. I did say yesterday, if we managed to get down to this 55 yesterday, it would have been a good long option to finish off this fifth wave up to here. We didn't quite get there, so I didn't get to do any margin long there. I'm actually out of XRP at the moment. I'm back in USD. Once we sort of got down to this 13 EMA and broke through, I didn't want to be there anymore. And although we are in an uptrend here with the 13 above the 55, you can see now that we're actually getting rejected. The 13 is going to start acting as resistance. So the reason that I did get out is just on the daily still. If you have a look at the 55 EMA on the daily, again, this trend line that we've been talking about for nearly 3 weeks now, we just haven't been able to get through it. Massive rejection candle here. The top of that long-term triangle resistance down here. The 55, yeah, we didn't want a bar of that, so we may start testing down below here. If we do break back below that 13 EMA, yeah, that could be the start of some more sustained drops. But although it looked a little bit bullish yesterday for a little period, you can see that we're still making lower highs, so there's still nothing really that's convincing me to be bullish in the sort of medium term. Yeah, I'm happy just to sit this one out, where I'll probably, I'm happy to even set a stop loss, even, probably not even, yeah, I'll probably just, even above, yeah, the high of yesterday. If we can break back through the 55 and start making a higher high, then I might be interested in getting back in. But I mean, that's only 1.5 cents, so it's not even 3 or 4%. I'm willing to just sit that one out because there's a lot of chop at the moment. I've been fortunate enough to stay just in front with each of my trades, just making small wins. It could have easily gone the other way. It's been that choppy, so I'm happy just to sit in USD at the moment until we, yeah, can break convincing. If we get a close above this 55 EMA line, which is this blue line here, then that would be something of a bullish sign. But at the moment, we're just getting smashed every time we get there. So I'm willing to risk this little bit here. Yeah, and hopefully I can get my stop. If we break below here, I get my stop loss buyback in profit somewhere, even above this 13 EMA line on the daily. So again, it's a risk that I'm willing to take. Yeah, there's plenty of other people that are a bit more bullish than I am, but again, this daily chart is just really concerning. This is still ticking down. We almost crossed over there, but again, we had that little bullish bump up there yesterday, and at any stage, this can cross over back down into the red. So that's where we are at the moment. Yeah, I don't think. Well, I'll be very surprised if we start making higher highs than where we were yesterday in the short term. But like I said, I'm willing to risk between here and there to avoid getting just chopped out in this area. So that's where I'm at. Cheers, guys.